How to enable passcode lock in Zoho Mail. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. And if you're worried about someone snooping through your emails, then you can easily enable passcode lock in the Zoho Mail app. So here's how you can do it. First of all, open the Zoho Mail application on your smartphone and then log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner, and inside the settings menu that appears on the screen, click on privacy and security. Under privacy and security, tap on the passcode lock button at the top and then toggle on the button right next to use iPhone's Face ID and passcode. The options depends upon your operating system. If you have Android device, then it might have a different kind of a interface. Simply toggle on the button and click on Allow to scan your Face ID or your biometrics on your Android. And now select your time preference, whether you'd like your lock to appear immediately, after 1 minute, after 5 minutes, and so on. Just select the time frame from the menu, and once you do that, you'll be able to enable passcode lock. Now every time you close your Zoho Mail and open it again, you'll require a Face ID or biometrics to unlock your wallet. So that's how you easily lock or enable passcode lock in Zoho Mail. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.